कौस्तुभ स्टडी इंस्टीट्यूट में आप सभी का स्वागत है। आज से न्यू प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज सी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज जिसे हम कह सकते हैं, उसका ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू हो रहा है। इसमें सी लैंग्वेज से रिलेटेड जितनी भी जानकारियां हैं, प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज कोड से रिलेटेड, सब टॉपिक से रिलेटेड जो सी लैंग्वेज प्रोग्रामिंग के अंदर दी हुई हैं, उन सब के बारे में आपको बताया जाएगा। आपके पूरे सी कंसेप्ट के बारे में, सी के फीचर्स के बारे में, सी के कोडिंग के बारे में, सी के सिंटैक्स के बारे में, हेडर फाइल के बारे में सारी जानकारियाँ दी जाएंगी ऑनलाइन। आप इस क्लासेस को ज्वाइन कर सकते हो, ये फ्री है। अब हम शुरू करते हैं सी के बारे में। सी क्या है? सी के बारे में लिखा हुआ है, सी इज़ ए पावरफुल एंड popular programming language that was developed in early 1970s by the Dennis Ritchie at Bell Labs. It is a general-purpose procedural language that provides low-level access to compute memory and hardware. C has influenced many other programming languages, is widely used in various applications, including operating system, embedded system, and game development. What is the key feature of C? Key feature of C programming language: simplicity, portability, efficiency, modularity, extensibility, broad uses, standard libraries. That is called as important feature of C. In simplicity, C has a relatively simple syntax and a small set of keywords, making it easier to learn and understand compared to some other languages. It focuses on providing the necessary tools for efficient programming rather than including higher level abstraction. That means C is a very simple programming language. Syntax is very simple, not very complex, and keyword is very limited. A small group of special type of keyword which you can learn and remember keyword for using C programming language in programming language. Second, portability. What is the meaning of portability? C code can be compiled and run on different platforms with minimal changes. Means like operating system, different type of operating system can be adopted compiler to run the C program, very minimal use of memory, and very simple form of give a simple form of results. C code can be compiled and run on different platforms with minimal changes, making it by highly portable. This is because C abstract may away many hardware dependent details and provides standard libraries features that are supported on various operating system or system. Efficiency. C is known for its efficiency and performance. It allows for lower memory and manipulation, direct access to hardware, and which make it suitable for tasks that require precise control over system resource. C program can be highly optimized and execute quickly. Modularity. C support modular programming through the use of function and library. Program can be organized into smaller, reusable modules, making development and maintenance more manageable. C modularity also promote code reusability and enhance program readability. Extensibility. C support the concept of user-defined data types through a structure, allows for creation of new function and library. This extensibility enables developer to build a complex system or application by combining different modules and implementing custom functionality. Broad use. C is widely used in various domains, including system programming, device driver, embedded systems, scientific computing, game development, and more. Many operating systems such as Unix, Linux are implementing C, which further highlights its versatility and importance. Standard libraries. C provide a set of standard libraries that are offer function for common operation like input, output, string manipulation, memory allocation, mathematical calculation. These libraries simplify programming tasks, provide a consistent interface across different platforms. C has influenced the development of many other programming languages such as C++, Objective-C, C#. It remains a popular choice for system programming and low-level development due to its efficiency, portability, and close to hardware capability. Learn C can provide a solid foundation for understanding computer architecture and programming concepts that apply to wide range of programming languages. ये सारी जानकारियाँ आपको सी से संबंधित मिलेंगी। सी जो है बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट लैंग्वेज है। सी को कभी भी इग्नोर नहीं करना चाहिए, क्योंकि सी के बिना सी के कंसेप्ट के आधार पे ही आगे जितनी भी प्रोग्रामिंग लैंग्वेज डेवलप हुई हैं। इसलिए सी को पढ़ने से फ़ायदा ये है कि आपको फॉर एडवांस्ड लैंग्वेज को पढ़ने में आसानी होगी। आज का क्लास यहीं समाप्त हुआ। धन्यवाद। कौस्तुभ इंस्टीट्यूट को लाइक कीजिए, प्रमोट कीजिए और ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अपने दोस्तों और कॉलीग्स को शेयर कीजिए, और जो भी सी लैंग्वेज पढ़ना चाहते हैं इस चैनल से जुड़ें। इस चैनल को आगे बढ़ाइए। बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।